Missouri man will spend the rest of his life in prison for killing his son-in-law. Good evening, I'm Dana Clemens.
I'm Daniel Wynn. 68-year-old Donald Bateman pleaded guilty to first-degree murder in Moniteau County Court today for the death of 43-year-old Antoine Johnson in California last September. He's now sentenced to life without parole. ABC 17's Lindsey Burning was in court today.
Lindsey, court documents say it started with an argument between the two men over fixing a water heater.
Dana, in court today, Moniteau County prosecutors said it started when a water heater in the home began leaking, and Bateman and Johnson started arguing about how to fix it. The two had an argument, and then Bateman went into his room, grabbed a gun, and fired 2 shots at his son-in-law, Johnson, according to the prosecutor. Johnson was taken to the hospital and later died from the gunshot wounds. In court today, Bateman pleaded guilty to first-degree murder, and in a plea agreement with the prosecution, a second charge of armed criminal action was dropped against him. The prosecutor says part of the deal was also to drop the death penalty, and like you said, Judge Kenneth Hayden sentenced Bateman to life in prison without parole. Moniteau County prosecutor Shane Haley read 2 statements from the victim's family today, and one, Johnson's wife, who is also Bateman's daughter, said she was hurt by Bateman's actions. Quote, a man that cooked for you, took you to your doctor's appointments, and literally carried you after your double amputation, unquote.
Been prosecuting for 5 years, and I was a law enforcement officer for about 10 before this, and this is maybe one of the most senseless acts I've ever seen. Mr. Johnson was in the living room standing there with his wife and a 4-year-old. Really a selfless act. When he saw Mr. Bateman coming at him with a gun, he shoved his wife and the 4-year-old out of the way.
I also talked to Johnson's mother and sister today after court, and they didn't want to appear on camera, but Johnson's mother tells me it does not bring him back, but justice has been served, and she says now her family can have time to heal. Reporting live in the newsroom, Lindsey Burning, ABC 17 News.
All right, thank you, Lindsey. Bateman did not address the family or make a statement in court today.